Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to write a nanny job application letter. If you're applying for a nanny position, whether with a private family or through an agency, a well-structured, professional, and heartfelt letter can help you stand out. Being a nanny is more than just babysitting. It's about creating a safe, fun, and nurturing environment for children while supporting their development. Families want to hire someone they can trust with their children, so your application letter should highlight not just your experience, but also your reliability, patience, and love for childcare. In this video, I'll break down each part of the letter, explain what to write and why it matters, and give you tips on making your application strong and professional. So, let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you should always include your personal details so the family can contact you easily. Here's how it looks in our sample letter. Sophia Mitchell, 2874 Oakwood Drive, Seattle, Washington, 98115. 206-5559342. Sophia.mitchell@example.com. Let's break this down. Start with your full name. This should be the very first thing in your letter. It makes it clear who the application is from. Next, include your full address. Even if you're applying online, adding your location shows you're nearby and available for work. Your phone number should be active and up to date. This is how they'll contact you for an interview. Your email address should be professional. Avoid anything too casual. Instead of something like cutebabysitter99@email.com, go with a simple first name last name at email.com. Having all this information right at the top makes it easy for the employer to reach out to you. Step 2. Adding the date. Now you need to add the date you're writing the letter. In our example, we have March 30th, 2025. Always write the full date in the month, day, year format. This makes your letter look professional and well organized. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Next, you need to address your letter to the right person. In this case, the family hiring a nanny. Our example includes Mr. and Mrs. Anderson, 1627 Maple Avenue, Seattle, Washington, 98112. This part is important because it ensures your letter reaches the right people. If you know the names of the parents or guardians, always use them. It makes the letter feel more personal. If you don't know their names, you can use something like hiring family or nanny position, hiring manager. But a personal touch is always better. By adding these details, you show that you're attentive and respectful, which is crucial when applying for a nanny job. Step 4. Writing the subject line. A subject line helps the family quickly understand why you're writing. Our example says, Subject, application for nanny position. Your subject line should be clear and direct. Mention the exact position. Short and professional. No extra words are needed. Specific. This makes it easier for the reader to know exactly what your letter is about. Step 5. The salutation. Now let's move to the greeting. In our example, we use Dear Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. This is a polite and professional way to start your letter. If you know the parents' names, use them. It makes your letter more personal. If you don't, you can write Dear Hiring Family or Dear Parents if applying through an agency. Always use a polite and formal greeting to make a good first impression. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph. Introducing yourself. Now, let's start the main part of the letter. Our sample begins with, I am excited to apply for the nanny position you have advertised. With over 5 years of childcare experience, I have developed a deep passion for working with children and ensuring their safety, happiness, and development in a nurturing environment. Let's break this down. The first sentence clearly states the job title and where you found the job posting. This tells the family exactly why you're reaching out. The second sentence introduces your childcare experience and passion for the job. Families want to hire a nanny who genuinely enjoys working with kids. Mention safety and development. These are key things parents look for in a good nanny. Step 7. highlighting your experience and skills. Now, let's go into more detail about your previous nanny experience. In my previous role as a full-time nanny for the Parker family, I cared for two children, ages 3 and 6, managing daily routines, preparing nutritious meals, assisting with homework, and organizing creative activities. I take pride in my ability to foster a positive and engaging atmosphere while also maintaining discipline and structure as needed. Additionally, I am CPR and first aid certified, ensuring that I can handle emergencies with confidence and care. Let's break this down. Mention the family you worked for and the ages of the children. This gives parents an idea of your experience. Describe your responsibilities. Mention things like meal prep, homework help, and creative play to show your well-rounded skills. Mention your ability to provide structure. Parents want a nanny who can balance fun with discipline. Highlight safety certifications like CPR and first aid. This is a huge advantage for nanny positions. Step 8. Showing enthusiasm and reliability. Next, you want to highlight your personality and what makes you a great fit for the family. I believe my patience, reliability, and strong communication skills make me an excellent fit for your family's needs. I would love the opportunity to meet with you and discuss how I can contribute to your child's well-being and development. Emphasize personality traits like patience and reliability. These are qualities parents value. Show your enthusiasm. Let them know you'd love to work with their family. Invite them to discuss your qualifications further. This encourages them to call you for an interview. Step 9. Closing the letter professionally. Now we wrap up the letter. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Express gratitude. Always thank the reader for their time. Show interest in the next steps. Let them know you're excited to hear back. Step 10. The closing and signature. Finally, end your letter properly. Sincerely, Sophia Mitchell. Use a professional closing like, sincerely, best regards, respectfully. Sign your name. This makes your letter feel more personal. And that's how you write a nanny job application letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.